Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing good. Today we will do exercise 16A of book D2 and we do today questions of advanced level, question number 17 and question number 18. Let's start students. Now students, question number 17. The table shows the total number of goals scored at full time in each match from the round of 16 to the final in the FIFA World Cup hosted by South Africa in 2010. Matches, these are the matches and these are the number of the goals scored. These are the number of the goals scored. And now in part number 1, represent the data on a dot diagram. We have to represent this data on dot diagram. The numbers of the goals are from 0 to 5 and that's why in dot diagram I draw it from 0 to 5. Now the 0 scores 1, 2. There are the two matches in which the scores are 0. Yes. And one number of the goals scored 1 is 1, 2, 3. These are three matches. 1, 2, and 3. Now two matches 1, 2. Two matches 1 and 2. Now 3 are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 matches 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 matches. And matches in which score 4, 1, 2. These are 2 matches. Now the numbers of the goals which score 5. Now the number of the matches which score 5, 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 matches. One, 2 and 3. These are 3 matches. Now students, this is the dot diagram and we represent the data on this dot diagram. Part number 1 is solved. In part number 2, what are the most common number of the goals scored? Which are the most number of the goals scored? If we observe it from a dot diagram, this number is 3. 3. The number of the goals scored in matches is most common. Yes, this is 3. Its answer is 3. Now students, third part, express the number of the matches that have at least 3 goals scored as a percentage to the total number of the matches that are a round of 16 to the final. Now students, we have to find the percentage of all the matches which has at least 3 goals. These are the these matches are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These matches are 9. Now we have to find the percentage. Now students, part number 3 and the two matches are 9 which has scored at least 3 and the total number of matches is 16 and we have to multiply by 800 to find the percentage. And क्या भाई के साथ चल के लेटो नहीं आते और बिल्ला पढ़ लो. Now we have to solve it. 850 and 425. By dividing 25 by 9 we get 225 and 4 and this is in proper fraction. We can write in mixed number for 4, 5, 20, and 2 and 5, and 4, 6, 24, remainder 1, and 56, 1 over 4. We write in mixed number, and this is the percentage. Now students, part number 4, consider the matches from the round of 16 to the final of the FIFA World Cup. From the World Cup is 2006 to that of 2010. There was a decrease of 37.5% in a number of matches that has not more than one goal scored at full time. Provided to us that the from the World Cup 2006 to 2010, decrease in the number of the matches that has not more than one goal scored. That is the number of the decrease. We have to find the number of the matches with more than one goal scored. That the information which is provided to us in question number 7 is that the information which is provided to us in question number 17 is about the 2010, and number of decrease is given to us for not more than one goal scored. That is the number of the decrease, and from this we have to find the number of the matches more than one. In 2010, the number of the matches with not more than one goal is equal to, we have to find this from this dot diagram, and not more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 matches. These are the 5 matches. And we have to find for 2006, and the number of degrees is given to us, that is 37.5. This means we have to, from 100%, we have to subtract the 37.5%, and we get 62.5%. That is the percentage for this is the percentage for 2006. 62.5% matches 5, and 1 is divided by 62.5, and for 100, 62.5 multiplied by 100, and we have to calculate it, and there is 10. When we finish the point, there comes the 10, and we have to solve it. 5 1, 5 to 10, and 5 5 25. No, 5 1, yes, 125. We get 125, and on the table of 24 4, and we get 5. Now 5 1s, 2 times 10. Now there is 8 matches. These are the matches for 2006, and these are those matches which have no more than one goal. And in 2006, the number of the matches with not more than one goal is equal to 8. Now we have to find the number of the matches with more than one goal. The total number of matches is 16. That's why we subtract these 16 from 8 and we get the number of the matches with more goals than. Therefore, in 2006, the number of matches with more than one goal is equal to 16 minus 8 and we get 8. Now students, this is the answer of this fourth part. Now question number 17 is solved. Now students, question number 18. Some plants are grown by a group of students for an experiment. The table shows the height in centimeter of the plant after 8 weeks. Explain clearly whether you would use a dot diagram of or a stamp and leaf diagram to represent the data. In this question, we have to only explain which diagram is better, stamp and leaf or dot diagram. We have to first observe this data. This is the data which is provided to us. We observe that the data start from 4.4. This is the smallest unit and the 8.6. This is the largest value. Yes, 4.4 is the smallest and 8.6 is the largest value. And there is no such at repeated values. 7.2, 7.2 only 2 times and 8.1 and 8.1 2 times. And that's why dot diagram is not useful for this data, because there is no repeated values which we display on a dot diagram, and the range is large. At the range of this large from 4.4, we have to draw a long dot diagram and there is 1 1 1 and 1. That is not appropriate, that we have to represent this data on dot diagram. And stamp and leaf diagram is better for this data. Only observe it and tell our observation which diagram is better. Write it like that. The only repeated value is 7.2 and 8.1. These are the two repeated values since the range is wide. With many distinct value. And a few repeating value. Yes, that's why dot diagram is not useful, and stamp and leaf diagram is better. Yes, friends, that is the explanation for this question number 18. We have to write only this. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much, students, for watching my videos. Take care of self. Allah Hafiz.